Hey everyone, if you own a Ford Explorer, F-150, or a Lincoln Aviator, you'll want to stick around for this one. There's a new engine issue that's come up, serious enough for Ford to quietly alert their dealers, but not quite at the level of a recall or a technical service bulletin. Here's what's going on. Ford sent out a Service Support Memo, or SSM 51392, to their dealerships, because they've identified a concern with certain engines that could require a full long block replacement. The issue involves possible internal engine damage, things like excessive oil consumption, knocking noises, or even loss of power. That's why Ford has updated their service kits for long block engine replacements. Ford uses internal memos like SSMs to quietly alert their service departments about these kinds of problems, provide updated repair procedures, and make sure every dealer is on the same page. This way, they can address the engine concern consistently and efficiently, without causing public concern or triggering a formal recall. It's a way to keep things running smoothly behind the scenes and ensure customers get the right fix if they ever need it. The affected engines are the 2.7L, 3.0L, 3.5L, and 5.0L. If you've got a 2020 to 2022 Ford Explorer, a 2015 to 2020 F-150, or a 2020 to 2022 Lincoln Aviator, your ride's on the list. Now here's the deal. This isn't something you can fix in your own garage. If your engine needs a full long block replacement because of these issues, your dealer has to use these new kits with all the gaskets and seals included. No shortcuts, no DIY solution. This is strictly a dealer job. You might be wondering if people are talking about this online. Honestly, there's not much buzz, no big forum threads, no Reddit debates. It's mostly a dealer-only thing at the moment. So, bottom line, if your engine's running fine, you don't have to do anything. But if your dealer says you need a long block, ask about SSM 51392 and the updated kit, since it's related to this specific engine concern. If you want help tracking down your engine kit number or want to know about other service bulletins, just drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you're driving. See you in the next one.